What's up, everybody? It's Tony Anthony. This is Tony Anthony TV. Make sure you like and subscribe. Just getting back at work at the studio, and been up under the weather. You know, didn't have corona, no, but I had cold. Messed around and fell asleep under the air conditioner and the fan at the same time. Forgot to turn at least one of them off. Felt a little something up here. So make sure you don't do that. It would not be nice.